Tell the universe what you want, and the universe will give it to you. What? Sino si universe? Yung mga tao ngayon ang hilig ng i-worship yung creation instead na i-worship yung creator. Perfect example po to ng New Age practice. At alam nyo, sobrang accurate ng Bible. Kasi nasulat na to na dadating yung araw na i-worship ng mga tao yung kalawakan. And when you look up to the sky and see the sun, the moon, and the stars, all the heavenly array, do not be enticed into bowing down to them and worshiping things the Lord your God has appointed to all the nations under heaven. Huwag po kayong magtiwala sa creation. Worship the Creator. Kahit ilang bilyong beses pa kayo lumuhod at mag-pray sa universe, wala pong power yan. Sagutin yung mga prayers ninyo. At kung sa tingin nyo, sinasagot yung mga prayers nyo, you are being deceived by Satan. You are putting your trust in this kind of higher power instead of trusting God as the only higher power in your life. Don't follow stars, ang mga zodiac sign or yung universe. Ginawa lang yan. Follow God Himself. Sabi nga sa Proverbs 3 verse 5, trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. Ang daming tao ngayon, naniniwala daw sila kay Jesus. They believe in God daw. Good for you. Even the demons believe in God and they tremble. Panay share ng Bible verse sa FB, tapos nagsishare din ng mga zodiac signs, tapos ang caption, thank you universe. That's not how it works. Idolatry po yan. You cannot drink the cup of the Lord and the cup of demons. You cannot partake of the table of the Lord and the table of demons. Sorry kung ma-offend po kayo dito sa video na to, but I'm not here to comfort you with lies. Hindi po maling i-appreciate yung Milky Way, yung kagandahan ng kalawakan. Pwede nating i-appreciate yan. How powerful God is, how intelligent He is. But don't trust them. Don't bow down to them na akala mo kaya niyan sagutin ang prayer mo. Worship only God, the Creator, because He is the only one worthy of praise and worship. He determines the number of the stars and calls them each by name. Walang mali kung i-appreciate mo yung creation. How amazing God is, how big God is. Look up into the heavens. Who created all the stars? He brings them out like an army, one after another, calling each by its name because of His great power and incomparable strength. Not a single one is missing. God created it for His glory. Hindi para i-worship nyo or diyan kayo mag-pray. You are being deceived by Satan. Read your Bible.